Well, the Syracuse Fire Department is crediting working smoke detectors with potentially saving 3 people after an overnight fire in the Westcott neighborhood. Crews were called to this home on Harvard Place around 3:30 this morning. This home is in between Cambridge and Allen Streets. They say the fire started in a second-floor apartment. 2 people living there were woken up by the alarm and were able to get downstairs and get their downstairs neighbor outside as well. We're happy to report no one was hurt, but the cause of this fire remains under investigation.